Actually, this is solve the initial value problem. Initial value problem IVP. Here IVP, you see there here IVP. What means this word? I means initial. Yes.
Initial.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
IVP means I means initial. Initial V means value, other P means problem. So initial value problem. It's nothing but some condition will be given. As you see here, one condition is given here, you see. This is the condition given, which we need to use in after solving the equation to find C how much, because you know when we solve any differential equation we used to find we used to write C, no, in akhar C. Here C is there, no?
Yes, for integration.
C here, yes. C here, C is there, huh? That C how much, that we will use, for that we will use this condition. The equation is solved here. What is the equation type here? Here dy and y is there. So this equation is what? Linear, no? Linear in y. What is linear in y? Linear in y. What is the general form? D by dx plus p is q. How much here? How much here? Y. Here y. That is called linear in this y. Yes, same y here. So it is same. See, dy and y should be there. Yes, here dy and y are there. So it is a linear in y. But this is the problem. It should not be there in the standard form. Al-Muamil derivative coefficient of the derivative must be how much? Must be how much? 1.
So we will divide to cosine x for all the terms.
Is 1. That is 1. But here how much? Here how much?
We have cosine.
2 cosine. 2 cosine.
This should not be there. This should not be there. So the first step, you know, as usual, we divide with nafs shay, and here this cancel, mashallah. Now 1, okay, Zain.
Mr.
Other 4, 2 cancel 2. Yes.
We have to follow always linear in y, or will come in a different way.
No, it depends on the equation. If it is linear in y, we go like that. If it is homogeneous, we follow that way. If it is variable separable, we go that way. If it is exact, we go that way, like that.
Depends on the equation.
Yeah. So here now here sine divide cosine. Sine divide cosine is tan. You know it? Sine divide cosine. How much? from trigonometry, sine x divided cosine x is tan x. This was there in basic math, pure math, like that. The rule, Qanun. Remember this.
Yes.
And here sine 2x is there. If you notice here, this sine, how much this is? Sine 2x.
This is same 10.
Do you know the rule? Sine? No. This is only sine 1x.
It's
but
different.
Here 2x. The rule is 2 sine x cosine x. This is also the formula. You have to write that here. So when you write for this 2 sine x cosine x, divide 2 cosine x, 2 ilgha cosine ilgha. How much remaining? How much remaining here? How much remaining?
2.
Sin x, no? So that is here. That is here. I will write again.
It's only cancelled 1.
Yeah. Actually, it is, the rule is for sine 2x, the rule is, here sine x is there, the rule is this one. So this I will copy here, 2 sine x cosine x, because this is sine 2x. For the taqsim, this we did with for the division, 2 cosine x. Cosine cancel, 2 to cancel. How much remaining?
Sin x.
That is here now. After that, now it is linear in y. Has mashallah Zain compare same. So what is b? What is p? Al muamil y. P al muamil y. Y coefficient.
For y.
How much? 2.
For y sin x.
2 tan x. Q is right hand side. That is sin x. IF. What is the rule for IF? Integrating factor. E power integral b dx. E power integral p. How much p? क्या होगा?
2 tan x.
2 tan x. Yes, he wrote here. That's why 2 and tan x. 2 constants. So kick out. This integration is the rule. This one. So this will come here, and this will be cancelled. So this is a very beautiful answer of curves, if you see. And that is for IF. Okay, the next step will be the general solution as we discussed there in a linear IF, integral Q IF plus C Y same Y. As IF كم هذا؟ secant square x, that we wrote here for IF.
Not clear color.
Okay. Now this IF how much? This is secant square x.
Yes.
That I wrote here. And here Q how much?
Q sin x.
That I wrote, that I will write here. And after that this IF. And with that we will get this one. How we will get? I will write sin x secant square x. This actually we have sin dy cosine square x. Sin dy cosine square x, and that is sin divided cosine tarbiyah, cosine multiply cosine, And if you see here, this sine divide cosine, क्या होगा? Sine divide cosine, how much?
Tan x.
Sine divide cosine, how much?
Tan x.
MashaAllah. So we have tan x. Sine divide cosine is a tan x. I'm writing here. Tan x. Here maybe we can imagine 1 over cosine, how much? 1 over cosine x. 1 over cosine is
how much?
Secant x. So 1 over cosine here secant x. That's why here like this. This is here it came like this. Clear? Okay.
Okay.
And next step, integral secant x dx. You know the rule, integral secant x tan x. I told you to see the rules, but it is our habit not to study unless and until we have an exam. That is the point
yes,
of
exactly.
Same me also, in student life. But difficult reading, but for 18 hours daily. For 1 month before exam, 1 month, 18 hours daily. Can you imagine? 18 hours.
Mr. We take more than 18 hours.
Not take is easy, not taking, just sitting and studying continuously for 18 hours. I'm not saying
no need for all that time.
No, we have that much, the syllabus for us.
If you are able to understand faster.
You was very smart because that you stay just for 18 hours. We take more.
Okay, Baba, leave it now. Who is now? That is unless the waste time will be wasted now. Now, integral secant x cosine is the rule. What is the rule in Allah Naswabirin? Ya Allah. Here I kept the rule.
Even you don't remember.
If you see this, Ya Allah. Where is that? Where is that? Here it was. The next page. It was like the next page. Yes. This is derivative. Yes, integral secant x tan x. How much?
Sec x plus c.
So please read this and store in your mind. At least so say inside. At least.
It is same, but we delete tan and add plus c.
Sophia, what is the problem with her? Some problem maybe. Joined? Okay. Now integral secant x tan x is secant x. If you want to remember
Sec x plus c.
Sec x. So simply this will be, that's why sec x. So what is the solution? Check here. The solution like this it came. Why the point was actually there in last slide. Y secant square x is secant x plus c. Okay. Y secant square x is secant x plus c. This was that. From that we can get this. Or if you don't want to get, no problem, no need of this otherwise. Just stop here and continue. How to continue, I will show you. Leave this. Then but what? The condition. This is the given condition. This C we want to find now. That is the question now. What is the value of C? We say in general, just C, constant of integration. What is that C? Chem. For that, this condition is given in question. Okay.
Yes.
This condition given in question. Yeah. To find the C, this C, how much? What we do generally, simply we write the meaning of this is, this dakhal is the X value and this outside is the Y value. Is it clear?
Inside
Clear?
X value. Inside Y value.
This is Y. Just you write these two here. To cancel this, no need, no problem. Just in this you write. How much X? Here X and same here, and these two X I need to write how much? How much?
And 6X.
5 over 3. 5 over 3 I need to write here and here. And Y how much? And Y how much?
Y on the Y.
There is Y and Y. How much Y? 0, 0, 0. Just that 0 you write there. If you write there, what happens? Come on. Right here, Y how much?
0.
0. So 0 is this 0. Yes, 0 multiply with this, all 0 is secant. Sec. How much X? Sorry, this X how much?
6 power 3 X.
X how much?
Y over 3.
This will be here. Plus, what is this?
C.
C usual. So C is we send other side, ishara tagayyur. And this you can find with calculator like this. Just use calculator in rad mode, Asaba, and tell me how much is this. Come on, please. The maqam cosine pi over 3, how much? If you see cosine 60.5, and that will be -2. Bas khalas, that is answer. No need of all these, no problem. It is also same thing. Just therefore, one implies the final answer. This will, how it will change? Y secant tarbiya X. Isa secant X. They have same I copied. See how much? See this. See how much? This C how much? Astaghfirullah.
-2.
This C how much? How much? This C how much?
-2.
That I will write here. So because here plus, the minus is there. -2. Khalas. Same like this, kha or qaf?
No, it's correct.
Okay.
Khalas.
It's nothing but any new thing. Just with hasaba, we will find C by writing the value of X and Y from the given condition. Maybe this anything here, no problem. Just write and get C. Just write the C again here. Over.
Mr. -6 is not available in calculator.
What you say?
Sec.
No, seek will not be there. Seek will not be there. You need to write this rule. The rule, no? This you need to use there. And for maqam, you need to write how much value. Okay.
Okay.
All these are saying to you that we are of that same type. This already we did now, but he repeated. All these are saying with you that yes, we are also same that type. So which one you want now, please? Better this, huh?
Yes,
Clear?
the last one.
Other one, wajibat. Okay. This akhar shay, if we can start, better. At least you have to solve all the questions from PPT before exam. And then you will be able to write the exam in an easy way. Otherwise, problem. So, Bismillah, solve. The IYP. Which is the IVP here? It was like this: 1 minus x squared dy over dx plus 2xy is x 1 minus x square power 3 over 2 subject to y of 0 is minus 1. That means, ya Allah, that means this is, yeah, this is here, it won't write, I think. Okay. Subject to y of 0 is 1. That means this is x inside, this is the value of y. Understand?
Yes.
We use this in akhar shay. But before, first what? First of all, Assalamu alaikum Safia. Any more problem for internet, I think. Huh? This you see, if you see here, this is linear in y or not?
Yes, in y.
But the problem here is with this one.
We have to take out.
We should not have this actually, but this is extra. The standard form is not that. So divide by same thing to get cancel. If you divide, what happens? MashaAllah. Here also say the next step. So final equation will be dy over dx plus, and this same number. See, I write like this. Why I write like this? Here actually near kharib, but here mafi kharib. I separated. Why? Because I need this only as a p. You understand?
Yes.
But they are same. But here if you see x 1 minus x square, here if you can see, what is that? These two are same or not? Same?
Yes, same. We can.
Same. Okay, same. And this is how the one. You know a rule, A. How the M? How the N? How much? A over?
M minus n.
That we use in every time, our mathematical life in engineering. So now,
And product plus.
yes, these two are same or not now?
Yes, same.
So I can do like this. The power 3 over 2 minus, how much here? 1. Dy over dx plus 2x divide 1 minus x square y x 1 minus x power 2. How much is 3 over 2 minus 1 is 1 over 2. If you have any problem, then see 2, we write talata, this wizard tabadri like that we do, that is 2 multiplied by 1, 2, 1 over 2. Next one. Next one will be What is B? What is Q? What is P? What is Q?
B2x 1 minus x.
Yes, please. So P has this one.
Yes.
Al-Muamil Y is P. So naturally this will be followed. As a Q, Yamin. Some words are good to be remember, always. If the standard form is there for linear differential equation, P is Al-Muamil Y. Q, Yamin. This will make the things easy. Understand? You need to remember like that. That is the best way. Next one. We know I of integral e power what? P dx. E power B. B how much? P.
P 2x over 1 minus x squared.
So 2x divide this one. Now let us check our memories. We already discussed these type of things again. Now anyone? Anyone?
Yes, it's equal ln 1 minus x squared.
You are, you are not accurate there, but of course near. You miss something. What is that? Here, how much is there?
Yes, معامل x.
No, here how much is there?
Minus x.
Minus.
Well, the derivative is minus, but there is no minus here. So you need to balance now like this.
Put it.
So this is واسطة.
You understand or not?
Yes, understand.
So this is because why we create minus? Because derivative of maham is minus 2x, but no, not here. That's why minus plus. This minus we have to write, no? Here.
Yes.
So we know this minus will jump here always with ln. How much now? Full minus 1. This cancel. 1 minus x square power minus 1. That is, we can write this minus as plus send down like this, plus 1. Agree?
Agree.
Next one will be the general solution. As we know, if integral q if plus c, mostly here dx. if how much? If how much?
1 over
This
1
is if.
minus
Master
x squared.
Zain, good if, looking good. We write here integral q how much? Oh yeah, q.
X.
That q is here, and that is this one.
Between two brackets. 1 minus x squared.
If how much? Same
1
this.
over.
if. So if dx same copy plus. So here again, if we see, we have some same thing here like ye nafs shay, like ye nafs shay. So we can write wahid ye. That will be the next step. Y divide 1 minus x square integral x same this but same shay wahid shay enough has half okay half has a 1 minus 1 like minus m dx plus c y over 1 minus x that will be a this integration x, this will be how much? 500 paisa minus 1 real.
500 paisa I to
Minus 1 real, minus half.
Asian.
Not plus. Now this is the situation now, the recent situation. Can I go to next?
Yes.
Some people want to take picture like that, maybe, you know, no need, but
Actually, I am writing.
you are, I know you will write, but I will rub here this one. Writing you have to do either now or baden. With that the things will go to mind in engineering. Not direct watching like a business study. Business study, okay, just theory, just read. But engineering, you have to write with this also. الذي علم بالقلم. لازم قلم here. Okay.
Okay.
Can I go next?
1 second.
After this, I will have to continue now.
Yes.
If I
Yes,
can
go ahead.
just remember this, Mr. Your name?
Khalid. Which one?
Khalid. آخر شيء.
Okay.
The آخر شيء y into 1 minus x square
Equal
y into 1 minus x square. Yeah, yes, read please.
integration x between two brackets 1 minus x square power minus half t.
This is what it is saying with you. This is the multiplication. Whenever multiplication, أول شيء substitution better. Next option islet. Remember this priority. This awwal, this padain, not this islet awwal. Because this is easy, you know. And also, this every time won't work. Mostly this will work more time. Later, this will work. Come on, what is the substitution? Please. What is the substitution? Again, see, actually, you need to sharp your mind. Sharpening mind means you need to go through the integration differentiation video and you should be thorough with the rules. If I saw that some function or maybe something and its derivative. In language, if a function and its derivative are there, then use this way. Like that I suggested. Actually, that is a suggestion. So how much now? Put what? Put what is U or T, which you like, please? Khalid. T?
Yes.
You want T?
Yes, T. Okay.
It's up to you, no problem. Put a dash is
T. For good luck.
Dash is savvy t. How much? I mean this one or this one?
Now inside bracket. So it's power.
Because here only two number are there. One wahid x, one minus x square. Which you want to take as t?
The first one x.
No. If you take like that, what you will get? Differentiate both sides. Dx is savvy dt, but ma faida.
So the reverse.
You understand what I say? Now, but if you take this, see, you no need of any confusion here. Just mukharana here. How much here?
And
Here that is like this.
yes.
Then we take this dakhal as t, not this f dash is no derivative. We won't take. We take function every time. The function. Here the function is this one is savvy. Differentiate both sides. 0 minus 2x dx dt. This is 1, say 2, say 3. Come. Therefore y1 minus x square integral. Yes, now we should be careful here. This we need to collect. See, that is here or not? Okay.
Yes, here.
And now how much? Can I write like this from this? X dx is a dt taqsim. How much? Agree?
Wait, mister.
This minus 2 will go
It is
maha
stuck, not showing.
like this.
Yes.
Taqsim. Cancel this one. Okay.
Okay.
But somehow no voice will come. It is difficult here. 0 minus 2x is a dt. Minus 2x is a dt. We don't want minus taqsim number that is. So sorry here x dx also there. So x dx is a dt divide minus 2. Now this x is there. X dx, which is here. See. So I can cancel x and dx, and I have to write how much?
dt over minus 2.
And I cancel this and this. So and I write dt divide minus 2. But here something I have to write, that is this one. If I can color this one. Same here. So how much? T. How much now? Plus
Mister
3
is not
as
showing.
usual. This as usual. Understand?
Yes.
So
زيادة latency for the connection.
what?
Latency is not showing what you are writing directly.
Oh, this minus 2 being a constant, kick out integral t over minus half dt plus c. Y1 minus x star d minus 1 over 2. What is the rule for this? T power integral x power n. Integral x power n dx is x power n plus 1 n plus 1. This is the rule.
Yes.
Like that here n plus 1 divide n plus 1 plus c. So y1 minus x tarbiya minus half t power minus half plus 1 half plus c. Same nafshe ilga. So we have 1 minus x square t power 1 over 2 plus c. What is t? What is t?
T 1 minus x square.
The T is created by us. The T is created by us, not there in
Yes,
the question.
assumed.
So we need to remove the T immediately. This T. How much T?
1 minus x
That
square.
I need to write here, here for T. 1 minus x or be power how much?
Half.
Plus C. Bas khalas, this okay. Later, I need to go for the next step. The next step will be, what is the given condition? The given condition was y is 0 minus 1. If you can see the question there. See here, how much?
Yes.
That I take now. To find the C. To find this C, my focus is to find how much?
The C.
The C how much? So I write this for x, this for y. So here y minus 1, this y, and here y. Minus 1 bracket 1 minus. For x, I need to write how much? 0. For x, how much? 0, 0.
0.
1 minus again x, how much?
0.
0, 0 here also 0. Power half, same plus C. Now I will find easy. Minus 1. This is also 1. So C. C is minus 1. C is how much?
Minus 1.
That C just I will write here. Well, that is answer. Has the same ISAR. This is 2. The 2 equation changing like that. Has the same nafs shay plus C. C how much?
Minus 1.
Bus like that. Like that.
Mr. Substitution itself a topic.
This substitution, yes, only that is finding the C value by writing X value and Y value.
Yes.
Okay.
It is more than the solution itself.
See, we the engineering students are different from the dunya. Our science students are different from the dunya that we won't worry for the lengthy things. It is actually the people of arts, they will worry, oh, yalla, like this. Business people like that. We are different in nature. Okay. Actually, yourself, Khaled, the problem is the length is nothing, but actually, if we understand.
Yes, if we have the idea, it's all easy.
The procedure,
even if too big.
yes, that is important. Then length is nothing. But if we won't understand, it looks like, oh, big lengthy like that. Yes. That is the point. Okay. Can I go for next one? Are any questions on this, please? No. Any student want to ask any question? They are allowed now. Please. So, okay, that means. Clear? Can I clear?
Yes, go for it. we will watch the video again.
The other questions, you please check the same way, very easy also, of course. 1, 2 you need to solve. 3 already done, 4 done by me. 3 already I shown in PPT. Okay. Now, Bismillah. Now, what you see is Bernoulli's differential equation. What is that? Bernoulli's. This is the name, of course, of a nafar, Bernoulli. He invented this differential equation. That if like this, the differential equation, how to solve it? As you see the history that this time and this time like that. Actually, the standard form, if we see that, what you observe here, the standard form. In the standard form, here dy is there, like linear in y, yes, same like linear in y. But here this extra. So what is the difference between this?
Only addition y power n.
And you remember one thing, that all the engineering course or science courses are just about comparing. What is that? Comparison. That is important to understand the things. A linear in y is same like that. Every time you should have a nature to compare the things first. Understand?
Yes.
But here just the extra thing is this one. That means it is again like this. This is the important point. You like to catch like that.
For linear without y, right?
This no y here. Yes, mashallah, Zen. No y. If y is there, no. If it is there, not linear. If y is there, not linear. Here only x allowed, only x function. Good. So we go. This is the, you see this differential equation here, dy in y. You see here also again this problem. That's why this is not linear. This is what? This is Bernoulli's differential equation in y. So the step 1 will be here in general, not dividing with x. Why? Because it's not Bernoulli, it's not linear. If it is linear, if it is not there, then what we have done first, taqsim x. That is the step 1. If it is a linear, but not linear now. Now not linear. Not linear now. But what?
We'll move it to other side.
For the procedure of Bernoulli, what we will do is أول شيء هذا تقسيم with this. تقسيم with this. So in general, what is the general case? It is linear in y. Step one, divide by y power n. Ya Allah, divide by y power n. This term that we have to divide. Okay. Yes. So now divide by y power 2. Yes, taqsim y power 2 taqsim. Here also divided actually. I will show the solution for you. That is better way on the other way. X dy by dx plus y equals to y square log x plus y equal to y square log x. What will happen now? This is y power 2. So first we start with the divide by this one. So x divide y power 2 dy over dx plus y divide x square. Anyway, cancel. Now x divide y square dy by dx plus y divide x square log x. This is the result now after division. Wrong.
Star
Yeah.
y square.
Oh yeah. How much now?
Y square.
This will be cancelled. How much now?
This will be 1 over y.
1 over y, like this. After this, we get something like mostly it will be like this: f dash y f dash y dy by dx plus f of y into some p is a q, like this. Oh, what is that? Check. This is fy, no?
Yes.
The same function derivative will be here somewhere, or just near to derivative will be there.
Is that always like this?
It
Or
will appear.
in this case only?
No, it will appear like that mostly.
Oh.
Almost in all cases. We go to PPT now, you see. Yeah. Here 1 over y square. So we need to write like this. The next step will be step 2. The step 1, what was the step 1, please? Divide by
Y square.
this one. Y power n. N may be anything. Step 2, put. We used to say in generally the y over 1 minus n is as some t. This will be coming anyway. What is that now in this case? We do one thing. I will say leave this, leave. If you send this up, how much?
Y power minus 2.
You send this up, how much?
Minus 1.
Just I say here to you what? Put this as t. How much that is now? This one. How much?
T.
Y over minus 1 as t. And differentiate both sides with respect to x. This is differentiate. What is the derivative for this command? X power
2.
N minus 1. Okay. Dy over dx dt over dx. Any question here? Here there is a question. Who will ask? I will see.
Differentiate both sides.
Yeah. Differentiation is looking different here. Why? You know, in previous problems, when integration is we are doing like this. The previous question like this, it appeared there. You remember?
Yes.
There we take this inside dakhal as t. After that, when we say differentiate, same like this. But I say differentiate 0 minus 2x dx is dt. Like this I wrote for derivative here. But why like this here now? This is different or not?
Same.
How same? Khalid, not same. This is taqsim dx, maqam. Here?
Product.
Why like
multiplied.
That? Why like that? This is just differentiate, not with respect to something, but here with respect to Then maqam dx lazim. But this is not differentiate with respect to x, just differentiate on both sides. Then lazim you need to write like this only. So whenever in integration, if we need differentiation, we do like this. But here no integration, any integration here like this? Anything like this?
No,
No, like this we differentiate. Okay.
So if we want to specify, we have to do the other side, the other way. D by D thing which we want to specify.
Abdul Malak have always internet. This will be like that. And now the things are very much clear. What things are clear? I will show you. The things should be clear to you now. What is that? You see here, what is that? This same is here. Where? Here. Is there or not?
Yes, same.
So here how much I can write? How much?
dt by dx.
But one thing here, minus is there. Here no minus. So this minus will come here like this here. That implies y power minus 2 dy over dx, which we need because it is here. This is nothing but same here. How much minus? This will be here. Minus this will go here. So the solution answer will be, how will be? X
minus dt over
this
dx.
is minus bracket it, otherwise it is wrong. If you write like this, it is wrong. This is minus, not bracket loss in there. How the plus. How much this?
T.
How much? This t here, yes, 3. Log x same, log x same. And this, if you see clearly, minus will come out. Yes, what is this?
Same as the first.
No. Please say. The question is open. This one, you know this. A known thing.
Non-linear.
What
It
is
that? Instead of y.
Yeah. Linear in what? What?
In T.
Linear in T. Yes. But this x should not be there, minus x. Linear in y means what? Linear in y, how it will be? D by dx plus d is q, and this y will be coming here and here. Then we say if these two are there, linear in y. Now how much?
Linear in T.
So linear in T. Yes. But okay, if you are confusing with that, why like this? Okay, no need to confuse anything. Just it's very easy. What is IF here? What is general solution for linear in y? Plus C. Okay. Now for linear in T, I will change here and bas khalas. So here what? T. Bas. Because it is a linear entity. Now P for first we need to divide with this, huh? Divide with
yes,
what?
remove the coefficient.
Divide with the al-muamil minus s, because in standard form has a 1 but here ziyada, this problem, this minus x, so divide. Taqsim minus x, here I did not wrote, cancelled. Log x divide minus x. Now it is linear in t. So general solution, same procedure like this. IF has a p, al-muamil what?
The t over
Mashallah,
minus
t
x.
al-muamil, not y. Before that, linear in y, al-muamil y. But linear in t, al-muamil t. That is minus over x, this one. Has a 1 over minus x. What is q? Yamin. Kyam has a yamin?
Log x over
You write minus up,
x.
down minus, you can write up, no problem. So you know what is the rule, the IF, how to find IF? E power integral p dx. E power integral, how much is p? How much?
Minus 1 over
Integral
x.
1 over x, ln x. So
ln
that
x,
I say this
delete.
will come x power minus 1. The general solution, what? How much here?
For q, minus log x.
How much?
T.
T. Why T? Because it is linear in. Like that. And this is easy. After this, you know how to do that. But in Akhar Shay, we need to change as the T. T we need to write. How much T actually? See here it is there. T how much?
Y power minus 1.
That we write here in Akhar Shay. I will write now. Little I will rub this. So y power, this t, no t, I'm writing this y power minus 1 into if. The if we found if as this one,
X power minus 1.
that integral q how much? Yamin has a q, I here q, is q minus log x divide x. IF again he need IF we got as x power minus 1 plus c usual. Now this is the situation. Now from this we need integration how to do, and that is the akhir step. Can I go next? Or any
Go
picture?
next.
If I go to the next, but before that you need to note this. This will create problem. The next step will be Bismillah. Y power minus 1 x power minus 1 integral minus log x divide x power minus 1 dx plus c. Quite naturally 1 over yx, this is because minus plus, x minus plus come down, minus outside, this how much? X power
Wait.
any idea? Ya Allah, multiplication, that means say now which is working?
I think I late.
If we take log x, then log x derivative 1 over x. But 1 over x is repeating 2 times, no? Highlight also create problem, Khalid, because this is minus. It won't become derivative 0. For highlight, the problem, the one derivative time. It should become 0. Here, no one will become 0. That is the mushkila. For example, see, if I take x cube log x, then if I differentiate,
it will keep in minus.
sit 0, it's n. But here, because of minus, it won't become 0. It will be same like that. Same like you, like Khalid, who will be permanent, like that. It will be, don't become 0.
Yes.
We have Khalid like that. So what now? Now we have only this option. First, awal shay. If we put log x as, what will happen? We will go like that, but I will check. But we go to PPT, what he did, we can see also there. Maybe we are wrong in some step. This was that. Oh, he put like this. Z log x.
As
Putting Z log x, we got that. There's substitution he did like that. Later he is not showing, we have to do now. Okay, put this log x as z. Why z? Why not other one? Because we already used their t.
Confused.
Because already we used t there. That's why u better. Not the same letter t. One time, like one time password.
Yes. Now, no other ticket.
Now differentiate both sides. How much? 1 over x dx is how you want? du. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then we need to think of something. This is actually by that. This, if you send up, how much?
X power minus 1.
Yeah. That is equal to du. And if you see here, not go here, but here, see this one same. Here.
So it works.
So there we are writing here minus outside log x. But this we can remove with this. How much?
Du.
Du plus c. But still we need to change all these. We do not want that. What is log x?
U.
Over x du plus c. We do not want x, When we substitute, we use this method. The whole integrand should go to this or this. Not x. X should be removed. But here this x is again creating mushkila. So 1 over yx. How much this x now is the question. From this, can we write x value, from pure math? To remove log, what to do?
What to do? We'll add e.
Yeah, e power u. I will recall your memory from pure math. What we used to do in pure math is logarithms chapter they used to start. After starting some rules, properties, log x to the base is be 10, and they write what is x, they will ask this x how much, then this e will go as base e power 10. You got it?
Yes.
This is property. So like that, if you want this x, you have to write here e, like this. This will be go up like this. Clear? So here this x is how much now?
E power u.
MashaAllah. One over yx u, this will go up anyway now. E power plus u will become what?
-1 or minus u.
Now this is what again good for substitution now. How much? This is no. Sorry. Eyelet. Better eyelet. How eyelet?
Yes. الأول substitution.
This eyelet is better now. Why? I will show you why.
Because we can reach 0, I think.
Yeah. This is u. Okay, then you just differentiate 1. Next derivative 0. 0. Oh, mashallah. This integration 1 time minus. Again plus. Now plus minus. Sorry, plus.
Plus minus plus.
Minus plus. Multiply over yx. Come on, this how much?
U
This
minus
multiply
e
is
power.
this multiply is sorry plus this multiply minus 1 into this how much? These two.
It will be minus a power minus u.
This no need because 0 plus c and 1 over yx minus u how much?
U
Where is it u? This one. How much u?
log x.
Just write log x. Has a e power minus u. E power minus u can I write down like this?
Yes, so it's original.
What is e power u? E power u how much?
X.
MashaAllah, e power u is x. Then, so we can write x here. This also minus 1 over e power x. E power u how much?
Same.
Plus c, khalas. Like that. Okay?
MashaAllah, too much details.
Too much. Not too much. You say 1 minute. In this question, you practice 3 times. Khalid. If you understand and practice 3 times now, then you can do any other question in very easy way. Like that. And these people are waiting for you. See, is there anyone who can solve us? These people are asking to you. What says some ayah? Alam yani lillazina amanu. Like that. These are asking. See here why? Ya Allah, what? Divide what? Divide what?
Divide y power y cube.
And continue as it is. Here if you see again, change the color. What now? Divide.
We'll move it to other side.
It's not in the standard form. We need to check this again. This is Zen standard form. Yes. This is okay. We can start. This is not in standard form. We need to change somewhat before. This is okay. This is okay, Zen. No. This is this is in standard form. Okay. So direct what? Direct divide by
y square.
Y square. Direct. No problem. This okay. Divide with what?
Y power.
Y power thalatha. This thalatha, Y thalatha we say because here thalatha here. Bus standard. This not in standard. See, Isavi 0, no, not standard form. This not in standard form. This Zen standard form. Yes, mashallah, good. That's why okay. This same number. This number. Here this number.
Yes.
Here this number. But
Mr.
the others are
third one, which one we have to take out?
This not in standard form. No. It is in standard form. Okay. Zen. The second one. Okay. Divide with what? Divide with what?
Y square.
Clear? So which you will suggest me to do now? Please, come on.
Third one or the last one?
Okay, Abdullah.
Not the third. Because the third. It's already the last one.
Which one?
I think the last one.
Last one, awal you want? Okay.
But Mr. The third one.
What?
The third one. You don't need to change it first. Then you take Y.
Actually, this Abdullah very easy, you know, but we have to change, yeah.
I wrote Abdullah.
Mistake. Yes. Sorry, Khalid. We need to change this, yes, to the standard form. Anyway, this I'm doing now, huh?
Yes.
Okay. What is that? XY minus
dy over dx.
XY minus dy by dx isabi y cube x power minus x square. Okay. The things which we have to understand, I will apply very practically, you see. The first method was variable separable. Okay.
Yes.
Is it applicable?
Yes, we can separate. Maybe.
Maybe. Okay, I will try. For that, we need to write this side. هذا إشارة تغير. Like this. Agree?
Yes.
Now try. ضرب تبادلي. Okay. يساوي dy. Now, can you do any more thing here? I am asking the question to all people. Some girl student also should respond. Today, no one is responding. Anyone, please. Any one student. Can we write this as all dx, all dy, all x, all y? Can we write? No, because this is minus. We cannot change this.
Yes.
This is minus. We cannot split this separate. No, that is one like that only. So no. What was the second way?
Homogeneous.
Homogeneous. Can we do? All terms must have same degree. Is it possible? We multiplication 1 plus 1 is 2, but here thalatha
ما
Is
في
it okay?
فايدة.
ما في فايدة ما شاء الله. Then which one?
linear.
Just linear then. A linear, can I do the standard dy plus pyq? Here no y, only x. But here if I see clearly, this is x. Sorry, this is y. This is y. But this is again y. Here y, here y, here y. But we want only how many y? How many?
2 y's.
Only 2 y's. Only there should be 2 y terms. I mean 2 y, but here 3. So that means Bernoulli. You understand?
Bernoulli.
Like this we have to approach to the question. And also we discuss exact also. Is it exact? This you see exact. Is it exact? No. This is m. The n is only -1. If we partial derivative, this is different. This is different. Lazim, this is 0. So no question. Not exact also. Not. So only the option is Bernoulli. Like this. Okay.
Okay.
Now here y cube, but this is not in standard form. The Bernoulli standard form, what is that? What is the standard form? If you don't have in mind the standard form, you can't do anything. Remember, I will write the question again because these circles are not going anywhere. If you don't have the standard form in mind, you can't do anything. Remember that. The standard form and the tariqa.
It is the reference.
The tariqa you have to keep in mind. By writing somewhere better. All rules you write somewhere and keep aside one by one. Maintain a book. On one side, you write from the book one side all standard forms, tariqas, methods to solve. On the other side, you can write the question solving. The standard form of linear SF means standard form dy over dx plus py q y power n. This is the standard form.
Yes.
I mean to say, what is the observation number 1? Dy and y, I mean this and this. Dy and y are on same side. This is Isavi, no? Dy y must be on one side only. Y power n must be
other side.
Like this
right
we need
side.
like this we need to decide the things of the observation. That's very important. Like yatadabbarun, like that. Yeah, otherwise not possible. The whole engineering, that one. Now see, this okay, one side okay, they are okay on one side, mashallah. Dy, yes, here is savvy. This is also okay. But the mushkila is, what is al-muamil here? Here al-muamil may be anything. No. Here anything may be there, no problem. I can write some any number or anyone here. Also not allowed. There is no restriction here. The standard form. 1 minute. We will go to the PPT to check back. Of course, he is mentioning here nothing should be there. It's okay if anything is there also, no problem here. Not an issue. We will see more again to come to the conclusion like that. So here, but you know, awwal shay derivative, but here itnain, thani shay derivative. Just write this side. This how much? Plus xy. Here is the ishara plus.
Yes.
Bus. Now it's okay with this. Now step 1. What is step 1?
Substitute. No, divide by y power 3.
Divide by this one. So this one is that here. Compare Mukharana, this one. So with how much? Y power 3. If I divide plus same his one, divide with y cube same, divide with y cube, this one here, cancel. Y power minus 3, you send up, this plus will become minus. You send up, but before that you cancel. No, this 2 times if you can understand.
Yes, minus 2.
Later, step 2, this was step 1. Step 2 will be put y over 1 minus n as z. Z or t, up to you, anyone. What is that? This one, that is. I will show you here. You leave this. If I divide with y power n, what happens? Here how much? This will be taqsim. That is up minus n. Plus p, y, divide how much? Like this. And here cancel this and this. So y over minus n dy over dx plus p. How much is this? How much is this?
P minus n.
This is what we are saying as z or t. This one. This I am taking as t. Now how much is that here? Put.
This will be t.
Y power. This
minus
is what
2.
we need. This is what we need. Y power minus 2. As you put d, you put z t, anything. But don't put same y, because here already y. And don't put x also. Why? Because in question x is there. Other than y and x, you can take anything. Now differentiate both sides with respect to what? Y x. In Maqam, what is there?
X.
That's why. There is a reasoning for everything. Remember. How the differentiation? What is the rule? N x power n minus 1 dy over dx dt over dx. Say 1, say 2, say 3. Now therefore this will become 1, becomes now how much? 1. That means this one, how it is changing? This is how much? Is it there here?
Yes.
Yes. Minus also there. Minus and this. With the minus. But 2 not there. 2 is there here?
Just add 2.
No add 2. Yeah, no add 2. See what I will do. You want to add 2? If you want to add, yeah, mashallah. If you want to add 2, just add for all. Here also. Zen. Suppose if I want to give something, I need to give for all students. Isn't it? Like that. For all 2, okay. Why this 2 now here? Because we want now this from this. So now write the minus 2, this whole is here now. How much that? How much? This how much? Same shy. Same shy here. Which is dd over dx. Plus 2 x same, this same. Here this will we did something here actually. How much that here see?
T.
Mashallah, this is t actually t. Isavi 2 e power minus x square. Same. This one same. Now this is what? Linear in what letter? Linear. It is a linear in what? T. So it means to say that every Bernoulli differential equation will become what in Akhar? What?
This will become T.
No. This. A linear. Every Bernoulli will become what? After this substitution and division,
yes.
what? Linear in T. Did you remember? Every homogeneous differential equation, after if we do put y vx, dy over dx is v plus x dv over dx, it becomes what? Separable. Ya Allah. Separable. Like that, every Bernoulli will become linear. Every Bernoulli will become linear. From this, how to solve linear in T? Linear in T, what is P? Al-Muamil T, 2x. What is Q? Yamin. What is IF? E power integral P dx. P how much? 2 outside x dx. E power, this is x square divide 2. This is e power x square, mashallah, like that. And next general solution, can I go? Very easy here.
New page.
Okay. You want to take photo?
1 second. Okay.
Mashallah. Anyone? Okay. What was there? Read, Mr. Khalid.
1 second.
You read or you send that photo on WhatsApp to me? Anyone?
Yes, few seconds.
Or to all people also, no problem. Huh?
To the group.
Are you reading? Yes.
Now it's with you.
Yeah. Here it was like dt over dx. Okay. The IF was e power x square we reached. And now general solution, because linear in T, TIF integral QIF plus C. T is actually we put as from the linear equation from Bernoulli. The T was y power and is IF is here
e power x square
integral Q. Okay, but IF same here dx plus C, but Q yamin 2 e power minus x square. This is e power x square, divide this minus, that's why plus down, 2 outside, constant. This is base same, powers add, but key that these two cancel. Integration becomes simple here. Now e power 0 how much? E power 0 please.
1.
1. So integral dx is simply x plus c and khalas. Today class, what we say? Shukran wa ta'awunu lakum, something like that.
شكرا على تعاونكم.
I don't know more, but I see sometime in airport or some. But I read, I can read. But
You know
100% I
Al-Quran.
can't say understand. Yeah, that is more. Assalamu alaikum. 1 minute. Let me download your attendance and the recording. Stop.